welcome back to Soul Canyon Kitchen.
Ciao tutti! Today we are making a red lentil soup.
I love soup.
I know, me too.
And you know, this soup is so easy. When
So
you
easy.
taste it, you won't
So
believe
flavorful. Yeah.
that it's only, basically it's onions, lentils, and
Spices. A lot of warming and medicinal spices.
Yeah, and Ayurveda, we're choosing a lot of Ayurvedic spices today because of that. They're warming and medicinal, but all spices are medicinal, but these are warming spices like ginger and curry and cumin, and oh, they're so delicious.
Can't wait.
And they're very healing.
Yeah.
I had a girl on my podcast, Margot, that healed herself.
Supalina?
Yes. I love that name.
I know, me too.
And she has a cute logo. It's like a fairy with a spoon. No, a fairy with a ladle.
With a ladle?
But anyway, she had breast cancer and she just didn't want to do raw food. So she said, I'm going to take all my medicine in my food, but I'm going to do it through soup.
Beautiful.
It was great.
And
she healed herself.
she healed, yeah.
Yeah, it was fantastic. So check it out on my podcast, but also check out her website.
Supalina.
Yeah, it's cool. All right, well, it's super easy. Let's get started. You cut the
Okay,
onion.
let me finish cutting
I'm
your
gonna
onion.
put this on while we're waiting.
Yeah.
So let's get that on high. And then we're gonna start by just chopping a great big onion. And if you don't like onions, you don't even have to put it in, but we love them. You can put garlic in at the same time if you want. This is so adaptable, this recipe. If you don't have any of these spices, use what you have. And honestly, I've done it sometimes with just salt and it's delicious.
Yeah.
And
Really?
cilantro and
Wow.
avocado and vinegar at the end. Of course, you know me with my
the vinegar. Cool.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by putting these in.
All right. One whole, nicely chopped onion.
Yep.
And how do we like to cook our onions? We
Well,
like to
caramelize them, right?
Yeah.
You just want to get this. A lot of people, I think, make the mistake in soup by adding it all in right now, the broth, the lentils, but you need to build your soup. So
let those onions sweat a little bit,
my
right?
gosh, not only sweat, let them almost burn a little because you want that what is it, like that burn bits on the bottom.
Just that the onion sweat that condenses and almost is at, like you said, the burn at the bottom of the pan, but that's so flavorful. So
It is.
we'll let them get almost to that point, then we'll give a little splash of vegetable broth to loosen that up.
It's gonna take a little bit of time, but it's worth it.
I literally already hear it
Yeah,
sizzling.
me too. So it's been about 7 minutes, and look at them, they're beautiful.
Listen to them.
Golden, and that is going to change the color of the broth and the flavor.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna add the lentils, 2 cups. Red lentils in there, stir those around, Margot, first. Let's get all those juices in there. And then you add your broth, and we're gonna need more than that broth that you have there.
Yeah.
That was good.
Okay.
Look at those colors. That looks so good. And before we even add more broth after yours, let's add those spices in.
That sounds good.
We have coriander, cumin, fenugreek,
Curry, garam masala.
Yeah,
Okay,
those
cool.
are our
Let's toss
spices.
those in. We forgot to add the bouillon.
Oh, the bouillon, yeah. So this just helps make it,
It just helps.
richer, right? It helps. So I'm gonna do, if you have a cube, just do 1 cube. Come on, get in there. Oh. So it's been about 30 or 40 minutes, and you can tell by the aroma in the house that it's just about
cooking.
done. We opened the lid and stirred it several times just to make sure, because you can feel all the liquid being absorbed into the lentils, right? But that smell,
Not just the kitchen, the house smells amazing.
it's so cool.
Yeah.
So let's spoon it and put it in our bowl.
Let's open this baby up.
And-
So we're gonna garnish this with some just chopped cilantro. We like to garnish it with chopped cilantro. You love cilantro.
I
don't you?
love cilantro. You know, it's so medicinal, but I just love the flavor of it. Some people really love parsley, but I'm more of, whenever you're going to use parsley, give me cilantro.
Give me cilantro.
And we used coriander powder in there, which is from cilantro.
Well, we like fresh
So,
stuff as well.
Fresh on the top
Cool.
is double, and cilantro is really, really well known for detox.
Yeah, this soup altogether is a detoxifying soup. And you actually mentioned to me that when you do a fast, this particular recipe is, or some variation of this is
Right.
what you'll break your fast with.
It's
is that
true.
right?
I just keep it a little more simple, because when you do a fast, you don't want too many spicy or heating. I just do really literally the lentils, the onion, the veggie broth, and maybe my bouillon and salt, and that's it. And I love it so much. And it's really I don't know, it's so easy to digest. It's the thing for me that's the best to digest after a fast. Wow, that color, because we use some garam masala and a little bit of darker spices. Look at the color of that.
It's gorgeous.
It's a little darker, but I just think we need a little sprinkle.
Beautiful.
That looks good, and maybe like a little pop of pepper.
Also, I mean, some sliced avocado on top would be nice, or we'll definitely do a little drizzle of vinegar.
Yeah, even balsamic vinegar.
Yeah,
The people
okay.
that you can buy balsamic cream vinegar, and you just drizzle it really beautiful. I used to use that. Let me grab us a spoon here.
Yeah.
And taste it with, and then we get to go to
The best part.
You ready?
Yeah, totally. All right, you first.
Okay. I just love how hearty it is.
Yeah. I like hearty soups.
Me too.
I like hearty
You should
soups.
be able to really, I mean, I blend a lot of soups because sometimes you have people that don't love vegetables, like Lloyd. He's like
You gotta sneak those veggies in.
Over all the years, of course, now
Yeah.
he likes many vegetables, but when I met him, he didn't.
This is
like-
so delicious. I love the black pepper and cilantro garnish. That's such a nice hint of flavor
Yeah,
that
and you could,
really stands
you know,
out.
nice big colorful chopped up avocado
Yeah.
and a little drizzle of balsamic.
Yeah.
That would be nice too. But like Margot said, just use what you have. You don't have to make it exactly like us. Most people make soup, and I feel like their spice density of that, I'm just inventing that.
Okay.
But I
We
feel
invent a lot of things.
vocabulary
makes-
words
Yeah,
especially.
but it makes perfect sense. Damn.
Damn, you beat me to it, girl.
This is good.
Margot, soul question.
Ready.
I'm going to ask you a question I asked all my homeopathic patients.
Okay.
So, if you could rank the taste of these four, salt, sweet,
Okay.
fat, or sour, which one do you like the most and which one the least? Like, put them in
Okay.
order, rank them.
Okay. Starting with favorites.
Yeah.
That's tough. Can I?
Can I
Sweet
have a
and
tie?
salty. Sweet and salty should be tied. And well, let me just say, if I say sweet and I have a sweet, then I want salty. So it's really hard to, chicken or the egg. I guess I'm just gonna say sweet because I could go back and forth for so long. So sweet, salty, fatty, and then what was it? Sour and bitter?
I
Was
just
that right?
said
Or sour? Sour's last.
Right.
Sour's last.
Interesting.
I don't know. Yeah. What does that mean for me?
It means that you need a remedy that loves sweets, because there's certainly remedies that don't love sweets. And especially sweet followed by salt, or salt followed by sweet.
That's
in our
okay.
books
Anytime I'm getting
also.
these cravings, I'm like, I'm just following my protocol.
You know, there's certain remedies that
Yeah.
crave sweet, and there's other remedies that don't like them. So it just helps us find the remedy.
Very cool.
Good.